CompTIA, Tech Plus, FC0-U71, Practice Exam. Questions 131 through 135. This video is part of our practice exam video series, and is filled with questions that closely resemble the real exam. So are you prepared to test your knowledge? Great, let's begin. Question 131. An employee needs to organize sales data into rows and columns, use formulas to calculate totals, and create charts to display trends. Which type of software would be best for this task? The answer is A. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software is specifically designed for managing data in rows and columns. It allows users to perform calculations with formulas, quickly analyze large sets of information, and create charts or graphs to visualize results. These features make it the best choice for tasks like financial tracking, sales analysis, and budgeting. Question 132. A user wants to browse the internet without saving their search history, cookies, or cached files on the computer. Which browser feature should the user enable? The answer is C. Private browsing. Private browsing is a web browser feature that prevents the saving of history, cookies, cached files, and form data during a session. Once the private window is closed, none of this activity remains stored on the computer. This mode is useful for maintaining privacy on shared devices, though it does not make the user anonymous to websites or internet service providers. Question 133. A user installs an ad blocking extension in their browser but still sees ads on websites. The technician checks the browser settings and confirms the extension is installed. Which of the following is the most likely action needed to make the extension operational? The answer is B. Enable the extension. The most likely reason the ad blocking extension isn't working is that it has been installed but not enabled. Browser extensions must be turned on in the settings before they can function, even if the installation completed successfully. Until enabled, the extension remains inactive and has no effect on web pages. Once activated, the extension integrates with the browser and begins performing its intended task, such as filtering ads from websites. Question 134. A user opens Google Chrome to look up information but notices the results are coming from Bing instead of Google Search. The technician explains that this setting can be changed in the browser. Which of the following web browser features should be modified to resolve the issue? The answer is D. Default search engine. The default search engine is the service a browser uses to perform searches typed directly into the address bar. Changing this setting allows users to choose between engines such as Google Search, Bing, or DuckDuckGo. It's important to note that a web browser is the application used to access websites, while a search engine is the online service that finds and displays results. Question 135. An employee tries to launch a web-based training program but receives an error message stating the application is not supported in their current browser. Which of the following actions should the employee take to resolve the issue? The answer is C. Use a compatible browser. Some applications are designed or tested to work only in specific web browsers. If an application does not load or function properly, switching to a compatible browser often resolves the issue. Different browsers support different web standards and technologies, which can affect whether a program runs correctly. Using the recommended browser ensures the web-based application has the compatibility, performance, and security features it needs to function as intended. So, did any of these questions give you a tough time? Don't worry if they did. It's all part of the learning process. Luckily, Certification Cynergy has a wealth of free video content at your disposal. To stay connected with our latest IT learning resources, just give a quick click on the subscribe button. This simple action ensures you are always updated about our newest video releases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.